Welsh football is in a good position and is moving forward, and this is fantastic, and this is what it's all about.
Feeling that built and a rapport built with the team and the Welsh public, and that's just grown.
If England comes out of the hat, don't make a face. England come out of the hat and, you know, I made a face. And that's They love it, the kids, don't they? Absolutely love it. Absolutely fantastic. Make sure you work hard and you act in the right manner. Big thank you all as well to everyone for our support for the campaign. Hope you come to France with us and you bring us some good luck. And thanks for inviting us up today, and good luck. Thank you. Standing there singing the national anthem is something that is indescribable.